Hi, my name is Amit from NCN Technologies. So we provide vision robotic solutions and other test solutions, functional test solutions as well. So today I'm going to show you about the robotic vision inspection. As you can see, we have a Cognex camera mounted here, and we have a DUT which can be inspected for either components or your wires are soldered or your connectors missing or present. So this keeps moving left and right. So the operator, it's in a ping pong fashion where the operator can load one duty as well as the other one is getting tested. So this helps you in your quality inspection and make sure that faulty products do not reach your customers. So we can provide you the test solutions. Thank you.